Welcome to the lesson of Matrices, chapter 16.1 by Riley
and Elizabeth.
The objective is to learn and apply matrix terminology. Oh yeah.
Stop!
Here's some vocab. The matrix is the rectangular array of numbers enclosed by brackets. See that? Matrix. The numbers in the matrix are called elements. Those are the elements of the matrix. The rows are horizontal, like the sunset, and the are vertical. The number of rows or columns determines the dimensions of the matrix. See, they all are different because of different things. Wow, crazy. When you write the dimensions, put the number of rows first and then the columns. So this first matrix is a 3 by 2. Count them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wow. This one is a 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Wow. This last one is a 2 by 1. This last one is a 2 by 1 because there's 2 rows, 1 column. Wow. A row matrix is when there's only 1 row. Yep. A column matrix is when there's only 1 column. Crazy. A square matrix is when it's the same of any number times any number, you know? N by N.
Row times column, the numbers are the same.
So 2 by 2, square matrix. Wow.
Or 3 by 3, and so on.
Or 4 by 4.
Yeah.
Billion by a billion.
Right.
You know, it just goes on. A zero matrix is when all the elements are 0. Crazy. Wild. Fun. On all the numbers and say them.
Two matrices are equal if and only they have the same dimensions and the elements in all the corresponding positions are equal. For example, 3 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 2, 5 over 5 and 1 are the same, -5 and -5 are the same, 0 and 0 are the same, and 4 over 6 and 2 over 3 are the same if you simplify it. But 6 and 6 are the same, 2 and 2 are the same, square root 2 and -4 are not the same, and -4 and square root 2 are not the same. Therefore, these matrices are not equal. Wow. Okay, so this is matrix A and questions 1 through 6 of that. So give each of the following. Number 1, ask the elements in row 2. So there's 3 rows total, and row 2 is 9, 0, negative 3, and 5. Number 2, ask the elements in column 1. So 4 columns total. Column 1 is 3, 9, and 2. Number 3, ask the elements in column 3. Column 3, 1/2, negative 3, and 1. Number 4, ask the elements in row 3. So row 3, the elements are 2, 6, 1, and negative 6. Yeah. Number 4, ask the number of rows in A. So the whole matrix is A. Oh, that's number 5. The whole matrix is A. So there's 3 rows total. 1, 2, 3. And number 6 asks the number of columns in A. So the whole matrix is A. So there's 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So problem number 1, example 2 in the book. You're supposed to find the value of each variable. So you have to find x and y. So since these are both 2 by 2s, you have to, they're equal, so you are able to find the values. So you do x, you set each element that they're equal to each other. So you do x plus 5 equals 2, and then you do 3y equals 6. And you do, to solve x plus 5 equals 2, you do minus 5, and then you get x equals negative 3. And to solve 3y equals 6, you do 6 divided by 3, and then y equals 2. And those are the answers. So this is number 8 of the oral section, and it asks to give the dimension of each matrix, and the matrix is 4, 6, 9, 1, 0, negative 4. So it has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. It has 2 columns, 1, 2. So you put the rows first and the columns second, so it's a 3 by 2. Right there. Okay, so this is number 7. It asks, find the value of each variable. So you got 0, 2 times 3 is equal to the matrix x plus 4, 0, 5y, 0, 10 minus z, and 0. So to find the variables, you set them all equal to 0. So you do x plus 4 is equal to 0, minus 4 from both sides, and you get x equals negative 4. 5y equals 0, you divide 5 by each side, and y equals 0, because 0 divided by 5 is 0, duh. And then 10 minus z equal to 0, minus 10 on both sides. Negative z divided by negative 1 is equal to negative 10 divided by negative 1. So divide by negative 1 on each side. And then z comes out to 10.
Last problem.
Okay, number 13 still asks to find the value of each variable. So you have 2 matrices that are both equal because they have the same number of elements. So the first matrix is x minus 3, 12, and 0, and is equal to the second matrix, which is 8, y, and z plus 4. So to find each variable, you do the same thing as the last problem, basically. So you set x minus 3 is equal to 8, plus 3 on both sides, and x equals 11. 12 equals y, so you just switch it, and y equals 12, that's a given. And then z plus 4 equals 0, so minus 4 on both sides, and z equals negative 4.